everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener. This video is going to be a quick one, but it's going to be kind of fun. As you guys might know, I recently came back from Homesteaders of America Conference 2022 in Front Royal, Virginia. I've, been back about a week and a half, so this video is a little overdue. I've realized that looking back through everything that I shot, I really actually did not shoot a lot of footage while I was there. I did have a great live stream, and that kind of was supposed to sum up my trip. I met some really awesome people like Sherry and Bobby from Black's Tropical Homestead, Leanne from Mennonite Farmhouse. I bumped into Morgan Gold from Goldshaw Farms. I also ran into Jill from Whispering Willow Homestead. On that live stream, I got to meet Jess from Roots and Refuge Farm. So I know that the people that were on the live stream at that moment knew that I was just like, fangirling! But I realized that I didn't really shoot much after that. I did shoot a video with Jess, which you can find on my channel. For some reason, I put in cards and they never go where they're supposed to go. So don't worry about that. Watch the rest of this video, then go watch that. But what I did do was shoot some footage of animals. And then I walked around and did some shopping and got some swag. So let me show you what I got because I thought it was kind of fun. One thing that I got was really fun were a whole bunch of stickers. So I have yet to put these on my refrigerator, but that's going to be my job for tomorrow. I'll put a picture of it when I'm done up on my community tab, so watch for that. But I do have some stickers already from Yogi Hollow Farm, from Andale Homestead, you know, a few stickers that I've collected through the year or so from my YouTube friends, and those are all going to go on my fridge as well. But I did get a bunch to add to it this weekend. Of course, one of my first stops of the weekend was at the Abundance Plus tent, where I got this sticker that says, "You can homestead," and "Wilder Still," which I thought was pretty awesome. I met Sherry and Bobby from Black's Tropical Homestead, and I got a bonus Soil Family Expo. I'm going to be there at the next Soil Family Expo. I can't wait. I also did trade a sticker with Hidden Oaks Homestead, so now I've got one of theirs. I got this fun one from Whoopsie Daisy Farm, which I thought was kind of cute. And instead of stickers, Morgan Gold was handing out pins. Now this last sticker is really special, and I want you guys to take a really good look at this. Look at this sticker with that Highland cow. That was hand painted and made into a sticker. This is Michaela Mills, and her Instagram is Bits of Reflection. I'm going to put this information down in my video description because I know a lot of the people that watch my videos are also YouTubers. They are also homesteaders, and they may want some sort of gorgeous custom sticker like this, because this, I think, was her mother's cow, and she painted it and turned it into sticker, and it's good, thick, you know, thick paper. It's not flimsy like some, and that's, look at that again. Look at the detail on that. I mean, I wish that my camera were having it come out as clear, but it is a beautiful, beautiful sticker, let me tell you. So Michaela Mills, Instagram is Bits of Reflection, all one word. The information will be down in my video description. I forgot I have one more sticker, and I had put it off to the side for a reason, because I also got something else at this person's booth. And so I traded stickers with White River Farm. And this one says, "Grow like Jess, farm like Justin, bake like Jill, homestead goals." Or hashtag homestead goals. So I'm going to keep that. But this is the thing I'm really excited about that I got this weekend. And this was from White River Homestead. And it is a sourdough starter. Now, I think I remember them saying something about this is a very, 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 very old sourdough starter, which is why they call it the ancient sourdough starter. And what's really cool is instead of giving a whole packet and having to waste paper and things like that, or, you know, use more paper than we should, they put a QR code on the back. So all I have to do is scan this, and I've got all the directions for reconstituting, baking, etc., etc. So that I thought was a pretty cool thing to do. So just little teeny tiny sourdough starter. And hopefully I'll have time to do that soon. It's been still pretty crazy for all that I'm not doing theater. I'm not doing softball. Well, I'm still doing theater. The thing is, I'm still doing theater. I'm helping out at the theater during our other shows. I've got my board member duties. I'm preparing for the shows I'm doing in the spring. I gotta chill out. I gotta chill out. Anyway, during my live stream, I walked by a tent that was selling seeds, and I said, I can't spend more money on seeds. I can't spend more money on seeds. I can't spend more money on seeds. And what did you guys do? You did super chats and said, here's some money, go buy seeds. So looking through, I didn't find a lot that I either wanted or didn't already have. I really went bananas when I went to MI Gardener, but I did get a few dollars for seeds, and I wanted to honor the intention of the super chat and the intention of the gift. So I got myself some Sun Gold tomato seeds from Seeds for Generations. So I've been wanting to try those for a while. They were right there in front of me, had to grab them. I was good to go. This next thing I have been looking for a little bit. I had thought that I would find some at Homesteaders of New England, but I did not. But I did find it, of course, at Homesteaders of America, and that is comfrey salve. Some of you guys know about my broken behind, and a lot of you have recommended that I try some comfrey salve to see if that helps with my muscle pain and healing. I haven't got a chance to try it yet. Hopefully this weekend I will be able to try this out and see how it goes. Last but not least, this is a kind of fun one. I visited the tent for 4 Jars canning lids. Hello! And they were looking for YouTubers who might want to represent their product, to give their product a try and, you know, document their use. So I am going to be an affiliate for 4 Jars canning lids. Yeah, I know. I've never actually canned anything in my life. But as a future homesteader, that is a skill that I very, very much want to learn. And so I'm going to be trying that a lot this winter. It's unfortunately going to have to be with produce that I purchase, but I'm going to try to make some apple butter in the next couple of weeks because I've always wanted to do that. And let me tell you, I make a mean adult beverage called the Evil Queen's Apple, and it requires apple butter. So I'm going to make some of that, and I'm going to use these 4 Jars canning lids, and you're going to see me can for the first time ever. So in the 4 Jars swag bag, they gave me 100 regular canning lids and 100 wide mouth lids. I'm not going to be pressure canning. I'm going to be water bath canning, which, if I remember correctly, means that I do need to have bands. So I'm going to have to get some bands. I also have to get some canning jars and all of those things. But hopefully in the next couple of weeks, I'll be getting to use some of these. Also in the bag, I haven't even had a chance really to look at it yet. There is a Canning Supply little notebook. So it's grid paper. There we go. Little kitchen towel. Always pops. Canning is easier with 4 Jars. It's awesome. I like that. That's a kind of cool picture. I like it. And this nice little cheat sheet for canning instructions. So I will be referring to that, as well as videos from many of my YouTuber friends, especially Leanne from Mennonite Farmhouse, because she does canning and baking videos. And so you should definitely check her out if you don't already know her. She is amazing, a wonderfully nice person. I just had a lot of fun meeting her. I just had such a great time at HOA, and I cannot wait to go back. And of course, before I forget, I got both of my books signed by Jess from Roots and Refuge. So now that I've been through all of my stuff from HOA, give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I put out new videos. And for the rest of this video, enjoy the footage that I shot of all the adorable animals that were at HOA this year. I just realized that I never went back and got footage of the alpacas. Bye-bye.